guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing another subscription box, and this is from PYJAMADRAMABOX. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing, subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, products, spoiler of subscription boxes. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again. And thank you so much for your continuing support. We're unboxing PYJAMADRAMABOX. I unboxed this subscription box before, but I canceled it because I think it was before Christmas, and I was thinking to save money for Christmas, so I thought to cancel a few of my subscription, and one of them was PYJAMADRAMABOX. But I really enjoyed receiving their boxes. So if you're new to PYJAMADRAMABOX, this is a bi-monthly pajama subscription box. It costs £25 every 2 months, including the shipping fee. And yeah, you will receive every 2 months a pajama and 4 to 5 beauty items. If you want to know more about PYJAMADRAMABOX, all the link, all the info will be in the description box below. So yeah, this is the box. Open it. PYJAMADRAMABOX, and let's open it. It's really a huge box. When you open it, lovelies, we have the pajama and a leaflet. So on the leaflet, lovelies, which is this big leaflet here, it says, "Hey babe, look at you, you cozy queen, you're totally gorgeous, you haven't even got them on yet, and we are thinking who new pajamas could look so good. Get them on and work it, girl. A whole bunch of love and care has gone into your PYJAMADRAMABOX, so we sincerely hope each item encourage you to take some time out to enjoy those cozy nights in like never before." So yes, and then we have another leaflet here. It says PYJAMADRAMABOX January February edit, and it says here all your products, the prices, and the description. We will see that one later. We have here, sleep deeper helps to relax the body and mind to prepare for deeper, longer sleep. I think we have some product from this brand here inside the box. I think so. So let's start first with the beauty items. So the first item we have in here, and this is from the COLLAB Sleep Deeper. So this is the product, and it has 65 ml, and let's smell it, lovelies. Smells lavender, kind of minty smell, and it's very, very relaxing, lovelies. I hope this one, it helps me a bit with my sleep, but it smells really, really nice. And this one, let's see on the leaflet, lovelies. So this one, it's retail for £7.50, which is not bad. And here it says, "Let's be real here. Everyone could use some better sleep. Are we right? We all need to unwind and let go of the stresses of the day as we relax into calm and deep sleep. That's why you've got this little bad boy. It was designed to help relax the muscle and nerve, to soothe restless legs and quieten the mind. Simply spread them and massage into the skin 30 minutes before bedtime." Oh, and just in case you needed something else to adore about this product, it's lavender scented. Relaxation, here you come. So yes, see, it smells lavender. It smells very relaxing one. And then we have Figs and Rouge, the Renew and Refine Pore Detox Revival Serum. So this one, lovelies, I will put in my future giveaway, as I have already this product in, I'm not sure, in my Roca box, for maybe, I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, this one I will put in the future giveaway. And this one is rated for £35. And the last product we have in here, lovelies, we have 2 lip masks from the brand Soon, I think. One hydrating watermelon lip mask, and another one is the strawberry lip mask. I never heard from this brand before. And these two are retail for £6 each. So the strawberry one, lovelies. Fancy treating your lips to the time of their life during lockdown? Perfect. This will do exactly that. You can kiss lackluster lips goodbye, packed with a high-impact ingredient that deliver a healthier-looking pout. This beauty was designed to plump, hydrate, and lighten dark spots and fight collagen breakdown and UV damage. It makes the lips and restore them with collagen while improving smoothness and combating sign of aging with allantoin. I don't know if I pronounced that properly. So yes, so this is the strawberry, and the watermelon, lovelies, is your pout has no experience at your pamper until now. Believe us, this hydrating, skin softening watermelon infused lip mask is ideal for stressed, sun-parched skin. A must-have lip treatment to diminish fine lines, hydrate the entire mouth area, and gently exfoliate the skin of the lips. Your lips need TLC too. And after this treatment, the strawberry lip mask, they will have more than they know what to do with. So yes, we have 2 lip masks. And lately, love this, I'm using lip scrub and lip mask because, as you know, winter's still here, still cold outside, and my lips feels really dry. So yes, definitely I will use them. So yes, and now, and the important product. This is the reason I resubscribe again, because when I saw the spoiler of this, the design of the pajama, I subscribed immediately because here's the pajama, lovelies. So we have, this is the top one. I hope you can see it. I will do a try on too, lovelies, and it's so fluffy. It feels like you're hugging a teddy bear because it feels so soft, and the material is really good, lovelies. They made properly. This one, it's a PYJAMADRAMABOX. I think PYJAMADRAMABOX, they started to design their own pajama, which is really nice. And it says here, lovelies, XOXO. It feels really soft. And then we have the bottom one, which is this one here. It has the pocket, which is nice and perfect. And at the bottom one is elasticized here on your ankle, and waist is elasticized, which is nice. And I have in the size 14. I usually wear 12, but I went up with the size. So yes, I will try this one, then I will do my final thoughts. So lovely, so here we go, the pajama. As you can see, I'll be honest with you, lovelies. I took the size 14 because I usually wear size 12, Primark 12, and because I really want a roomy pajama. I prefer more roomy one than the fit one, and this one is a fit pajama for me, and it's too tight the top. Maybe I gain weight, I don't know, because of the lockdown, but still I will still use it because it's really warm, it's really fluffy. And the bottom one, lovelies, it's a perfect fit to me. If I go size 16, I think will be too big for me. So yes, it's really perfect fit. The trousers, it's just that it's quite tight. And this is a size 14, lovelies. It's really fluffy, it's really warm. I show it to my kids too, and they hug me a lot because it's like hugging a teddy bear, lovelies. It's really warm, it's really fluffy. It has the pocket in the trouser one, and yes, so that's it, lovelies. Overall, I think the reason I resubscribed, as I said before, because of the pajama. I saw the spoiler and I really wanted this pajama, lovelies. I forgot to tell you, this one, it's rated for $27.99, and yeah, and it says this is the PYJAMADRAMABOX Teddy XOXO. The pajamas you've all been waiting for. This design has been so popular since we announced it, and we're so happy to finally get them out to you. They are super soft, very soft, and golden brown. They are cuffed sleeve and trousers to keep you super stylish, and their blanket material makes them absolutely perfect for the winter. They can be worn as loungewear or pajamas. Have a drawstring waist. It has the drawstring one, and for maximum comfort, plus pocket to help keep all your essential clothes or to keep your hands warm. It's really up to you how you use them. We don't judge. Wash on 30 degrees and tumble dry on low. Do not iron decoration. Well, yeah, but yes, overall, yes, I'm happy I resubscribe again. This month we will see the design of the pajama for March. Yes, because this is the January and February one. Let's see on next month the design for the March, and we will see if I will continue with my subscription box. That's all, lovelies and new lovelies. What do you think of this subscription box? Did you get it too? Let me know in the comment below. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes. And also, lovelies, don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye. Mwah.